Hello friends, welcome back to Miya's Spice World. Today we will be making a tasty Matar Pulao. It's really yummy and can be made easily too. It is a very classic recipe and is relished by all. So let's start making the green peas pulao. Turn on the flame and heat a pressure cooker pan. When the cooker is hot, add 3 to 4 tablespoons oil to it. When the oil is hot, reduce the flame and add some whole garam masala. Here I have taken 3 green cardamoms, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves and 1 bay leaf and fry for few seconds. Now add 2 sliced green chilies and 2 sliced medium-sized onions and saute them for a minute. You can also make the pulao in ghee. Keeping the flame in medium, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and continue to stir until the raw smell disappears. Add 2 cups of green peas and mix them well. I am using fresh green peas, so I am frying it for 2 minutes. If you are using frozen peas, then fry for a minute. Once the green peas has turned soft, add 1 cup of coconut milk followed by 3.5 cups of water. Mix well and add enough salt. Here I have taken 3 cups of basmati rice which I have soaked for 20 minutes. Drain the water and add the rice to the cooker. Gently stir the rice. Close the lid of the cooker. Once the steam comes from the pressure cooker, place the weight and cook for 1 minute on medium flame. Once the pressure releases, open the cooker. You can see that the Matar Pulao is done and the rice is cooked beautifully. Our simple yet delicious Matar Pulao is ready to be served with any side dish of your choice. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.